laboratory that will service not only the semicon and electronics industries in the Philippines, but to encourage and invite our foreign neighbors to come and send also their samples for testing. So the project at ADMATEL started last January 12. A lot of bidding has happened, and the national facility is established with the objective of reinforcing and upgrading the failure analysis and material testing facilities of the local industry. So this will provide a short turnaround because it will operate 24/7. Okay. So this facility will encourage the local industry instead of sending their products abroad here for its testing. So, to attain the objective, we had set up the infrastructure and requirements of this laboratory. The refurbishing, the renovation of our former EPCD building. So, this building will be housing our sophisticated equipment such as the focus ion beam, field emission scanning electron microscope of the PESM, the over electron spectroscope or the AES, and the time of flight secondary mass electroscope, the TOPSIM, will be housed in this building. This equipment, many of them are already on flight. I think one of them has already arrived. Hopefully, it should have been housed since yesterday, but our contractor asked for another week to cure the flooring of this site, which is the clean room. We call it the clean room, the private sector. There will be 3 main laboratories of the building: the surface characterization laboratory, the chemical lab, and the thermal laboratory. As I said, a dormitory and guest rooms, and training and conference rooms will also be constructed in this facility. Hope that ADMATEL will not only serve the local industry, but to be the hub for failure analysis in the Asia-Pacific region in the future. So again, people who work behind us to make these things possible, to God be the glory. Good morning to all of you.
Ami Guevara, Dr. Geb Guevara, Dr. Antonio Tony Villaflor, Architect June Lopez, Engineer Alex Roque, and Dr. Nona Almasor. At mga kasama natin sa UST. Gandang umaga po. Ano lang natin what's so significant of this? This is really a change in mindset. Before, as I mentioned kanina, every time we encourage investor, it is based parati sa incentives. Tax incentives, siguro location, utility, cost of utility, and others. Para this is maybe that we have to start ng incentives talaga dapat. The Philippines is a very why invest in the Philippines? Because the environment, the supporting services, the technology infrastructure for this kind of investment are present. And this is one of the key to improve the capability to produce products. This is a key infrastructure na kailangan ng ating mga investors, na kailangan of our scientists to be able to develop their products or develop their ideas into products. This is, ano ba impact nito? Let's go to numbers muna. 30 billion ang safety. This will have an impact on safety. 30 billion ang total export ng safety. Right now, it's less than 10% ang value added. I mean, validating numbers na in 4 years, it's not impossible that it will increase to 40%. In time, magiging 40%. And because we become a better location for this kind of investment, yung 30 yung magiging easily 50%. 50 billion. So in 4 years, so 50 billion times 40, magiging 20 billion additional value added, additional economic activity from 3 billion ngayon. And yet, yung 30 billion, that is our biggest export. 67% ay galing sa safety. Pag pinayos mo yung 17 billion ang idadagdag na value added, pag mag-multiply ka, mayroon sa economics, minumultiply mo na, may multiplier pa yan, easily 3 or 4. You're looking at 50 billion. Pag quantify mo yun, I mean, mabilis na tayo magano ng numbers na, pero why this is so significant? Because at 50 billion na additional economic activity, yung 6% GDP growth natin ngayon, that is equivalent to 5% GDP growth. I mean, the numbers are baffling. The possibilities, the potential are really baffling. Ibig sabihin, because of this, definitely it's not only because of ADMATEL, but because of this direction. Maybe next year there will be another facility that would have similar para mag-support again for the industry. The whole safety or the whole electronic sector will contribute 5% of the GDP for the next 4 years. And it will keep on increasing. Now, let's go to numbers again. Linear lang yun, linear. Actually, ito, viral to eh. Hindi to linear. Ano to? Progressive. It's not linear. It's progressive talaga. The impact to the industry, baliktad ng viral. So, it will benefit almost everybody. Kaya nga dapat government din. It benefits everybody. Now, this kind of thinking sana, we are really pushing na yung ating development program ng country, which is everybody's doing, to be S&T based. But S&T dapat sana, o malaki ang S&T based sa development o economic development program. Or we can go to a very particular lang, industry development program. Sana S&T based. Pero S&T kasi future. So it's very hard to plan with regards to future. Pero anyway, ma-appreciate lang ng everybody, or including other partners in government and also private, maging S&T based. And this is a very good example. We cannot fail. Sa bakit? Tinanggal yung failure analysis. Kailangan we should succeed because this is the biggest industry pala. This is the biggest industry, one. Number two, hopefully this kind of thinking or this kind of approach empathize sa ibang industry. We're talking about different, yung kanina, kahit sa agriculture, lahat. Sana S&T based ang development, malaki ang input ng S&T based, even in the development program pa lang. And this is, sana we can open the eyes. This can be an eye-opener for everybody na pwede palang S&T to play a big role even in planning as an economic driver. No, sinasabi natin kayo na hindi lang linear. This is really progressive o yung geometric. Pag ganun talaga ito, hindi ito ganun lang. Pag ganun. And we don't really know yung effect nun. Talagang iba effect nito. Sa iba pang other industries, maging similar to it. We're talking about dati kasi may problema. Saan ba magtatrabaho yung ating mga scientists? Diba? This is ito na yung the answer to that. And the answer then why we have to eventually increase our ating scholarship program. Ito na rin ang sagot sa balik scientist, ano ba ang role nila. Ito na ang sasagot. And we have other malalaking program kaya ito ang magiging sample. kasi malaki din natin program with genomics, with other, sana nanotechnology would have similar. Malaki din ang role talaga ng nanotechnology in the different industries. Mabandera lang natin ito, mapagyabang natin ito, all others will follow. Again, congratulations to our partners, especially sa nagsimula talaga, si Ami, fully supported ngayon ni Ingeb, ni Tony, and all others too. Dr. Luna, may na pa gumastos sa 300. Baka may 500 na naman next year. Anyway, congratulations to everybody. Thank you.